What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about UMA, which has pumped up nearly 20% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $2.32. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? And also looking at, is now the right time to buy the crypto, or is it time to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours and coming days as well, potentially heading up to the $5 mark. So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can UMA go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. A link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is down at 3% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too good. However, we do have UMA as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to pump up 6% in value. Over the last day, nearly 19%. Over the week, 25%. And over the month, just about 11%. We can see drops here in mid-April, and right now it has been gaining value. So yes, it's been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been positive, which is all that matters. And hopefully we should be able to carry on that way for the rest of the year as well. But we'll have a look. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 382% in the last 24 hours, making it $89 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. Again, is getting a lot of attention right now, is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So we are of course going to see a lot of people looking into the project, either buying it or selling it. Either way, there's a lot more traders compared to the day before, hence why the trading volume has gone up. And as it's pumping higher and higher, the trading volume is likely to go up even higher over the next couple of hours as well. So we should essentially be seeing it going over $100 million over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are also looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of UMA, which is here in purple at $2.05. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here at $2.31, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is for my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the only issue is the MACD indicator is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value for the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. By the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting UMA to have dropped back down in value, trading around $2.15, $2.20. Somewhere around here is where I'm expecting UMA to be trading at towards the end of the day today. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up even higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting about $2.50 over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value to around $2.20 towards the end of the day today. So yes, do expect it to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart in the next couple of days, what can we see here? Exact same guys, we've got the blue and the orange line once again looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic guys. So an overall increase in value is what is meant to take place according to the chart right now. However, as it's not realistic, I am also expecting it to drop back down in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by early to mid next week, we should see UMA dropping down to around $2.10, $2.15. Somewhere in between here is where it's likely to hover around by mid next week. However, That doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days, of course not. It's likely to hit green days and red days up and down, but it just means the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from UMA over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're not looking as steep, especially the orange line is not looking as steep as the previous chart, and the blue line is still looking quite steep. But in this case, guys, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, let's say by mid to late June 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from UMA, and at this point we should be heading towards the $5 mark is what my expectations are. By late June and early July 2023, we should be heading up to or getting very close to the $5 mark. Again, to some of you guys it may seem like a shock because it's obviously going to have to go through double its value where it is at the moment. However, if we give it approximately a good 2 months time, I'm pretty sure we should be able to hit $5, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. For example, if Bitcoin manages to pump up to 35-40k, then yes, of course we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, including UMA, Bitcoin and most of the other cryptocurrencies as well. However, if it goes the other way, if it does drop down to about 20-25k, then we are going to see major drops in the crypto market, including UMA, meaning we won't be, or it's very hard for it to hit the $5 mark. Now it's going to have to get delayed on to the following year or towards the very end of this year. But again, these are my takes and my predictions as of right now, guys. And again, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. Any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there. If you guys want regular updates on UMA, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way for it to hit the green zone or the resistance target here, which is $8.60, which I'm not expecting from UMA anytime soon. Potentially Q4 of 2023 is when I'm expecting UMA to be hitting the resistance target here and potentially heading into the green zone towards the very end of the year, of course depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the $5 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.